Who else is inside the house?
There's a kid inside.
Where's he at in the house?
He's in there. Owen!
In his bedroom.
Where's he at?
In his bedroom.
Owen! Oh, Father God,
Where did
please,
you just break that window with?
Right here.
Owen!
Watch your face.
Right here, baby. Right here, baby.
Come out.
Right here, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, come here. Come on, Owen.
Where does he sleep in there? Where does he sleep in there?
Right here.
Where is he?
He sleeps right there. His bed's right here.
Wherever he is, grab, because I don't know where his bed is in here.
Owen! Come to the window, baby. Grab my hand. Owen, this
Hey,
way.
come over to the light.
Come to the light, Owen.
Come over to the light. Stick your hand out.
Owen! Walk this way, Owen.
Hey, stick your hand out to where you see the light.
Walk this way, baby.
Hey, come over here.
Baby.
Where are you at?
Baby.
Right there. Right there.
Look out. I can't see where he is.
Hey, buddy, come on, come this way, buddy. Buddy, come this way.
I can't see what's in there.
Buddy, I need you to come to the light, man.
Where you at, bud? Yeah.
Buddy, come to the light, buddy.
Where you at, bud? Come to the light, right here. Hey, bud, where you at? Hey, buddy, where are you? Come over here. Where are you at? Hey, is there another way to get to that bedroom that's not on fire?
Close the window.
Hey, whose house is this? Come on. All right, guide me to that room.
Go through there, go up. You'll see it.
Go up.
Yeah. So I go.
Watch it. Hey, stop swinging that for a second. That's it. Better. Keep going the other way. What's his name?
Hey, buddy, right here, right here, right here. Kyle, come here. Get up, bud.
Where's he at?
Right here.
Come here. Reach out to us. Keep coming. Come on, come here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Come on.
Come on, bud. Hands out, just let her.
Hey, buddy.
Buddy, talk to me. Talk to me.
Hey. Hey, you all right?
She got the airbag. She's grabbing an airbag.
They're coming.
Baby, you're okay.
Anybody else inside the house?
You're okay.
Where's the homeowner? Nobody else is in there. Hey, we just got that child out. If you guys have oxygen, please.
For him.
Yeah, he was in there. Yeah, he's breathing.
Child's out of the house.
'Right, bud?
10-4, child is out of the house.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you.
Owen. Rock me a little bit, buddy. Deep breath. Get him in a recovery position. Here, just roll over on your side.
bringing oxygen right now.
Just roll over on your side. Just stay in a recovery. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, there was a...
Okay.
What possibly... Yeah. They said that something exploded in there.
I have a CRX in the barn. I have 2 CRX.
Is there anything in the residence that's considered explosive?
Alright, just keep you guys.
Yep. Do you want to bring him to...
Get him stretches.
Hey, bud.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, baby, you're